In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure to rebuild a front brake caliper. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for reinstalling our banjo bolt and our sealing washers. I'm going to flip my brake hose down from here and just show you how it works. We have a banjo bolt. The sealing washer is going to slip onto that banjo bolt. We're going to slide the banjo bolt through the hose fitting and then slip on a sealing washer. That's the method right there. From here, you're going to take and start your hose into the backside of the caliper. Once you have it started, you can go ahead and run it down hand tight. Once you have it hand tight, you can torque it with your socket wrench. Take care not to over tighten your banjo bolt because it is hollow and it'll break off easier than you think it will. Right there. That is the proper service procedure for reattaching the hydraulic line to the back of the caliper.